what's up and welcome back to a new vlog. So I actually had zero plans of vlogging today. I just picked up the camera and thought कि चलो आज vlog कर लेते हैं because I have a lot of cleaning and organizing to do and I thought let's do it together. So my rooms are mess. Let me show you. It is a hot mess. Everything is सब फैला हुआ है. I think it's currently 11:47 if you can see and काफ़ी लेट स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ मैं व्लॉग को. आई हैव ऑलरेडी बीन टू द जिम. मैं जिम होके आ गई हूँ. आई टुक अ बाथ आफ्टर दैट. आई एट माई ब्रेकफास्ट. एवरीथिंग इज डन एंड नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द डे. आई डू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ एडिटिंग टू डू टुडे बट मैं सोच रही हूँ पहले सारी सफाई कर ली जाए. ऑल्सो इफ़ यू हैव सीन द लास्ट वीडियो और आई थिंक लाइक लास्ट टू लास्ट वन, नॉट श्योर ये व्लॉग कब जाएगा, उसमें मैंने आपको ये दिखाया हुआ था दिस ड्रॉर थिंगी दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम मिनीसो एंड मैंने अभी तक इनमें कुछ नहीं करा. ये यहीं पे पड़े हुए हैं. सो आई थिंक आई विल ऑर्गेनाइज दिस विद माई मेकअप ऑल्सो टुडे. So let's do all of that together. So I hope you'll enjoy this vlog and let's start with cleaning the room first. So my battery died but I ended up cleaning the entire room on my own. Let me show you. Like don't mind that mess there. वो अभी सब makeup organize करने के लिए. But the room is now clean and now let's move on to the second task and the major task of the day and I'm super excited about that. And you know you're adulting when you get excited about organizing things. Also I'll watch some Brooklyn Nine-Nine as I work. I just love this show. Like if any of you are Brooklyn Nine-Nine fanatics just like me, please tell me in the comments. Let's chat there. And finally इसका season 7 आ चुका है on Netflix. So yay! Right now I'm watching season 6 दोबारा से. I'll just finish this and then I'll start the 7th season. And I've been waiting for it like anything, but finally it's here. So let's just play this and साथ में काम करते हैं. So everything is out. As you can see, this is almost everything that I own in the makeup department. Some of it is in these search as well, especially my lipstick collection is there, but this is the majority of the makeup and the drawer is empty. Now I need to just separate all of this and put it here in the drawer. I'm thinking I'll put all my everyday makeup or my base products and products that I use every day here. In the top one I put in all my base products and basically all the products that I normally use, like not everything at once but the products that I reach out for more, and basically all my base products I would say. And then here in the lower one I put on, it is so difficult to open this with one hand. Wait, I'll be back in 1 sec. So yes, here I've got all my eyeshadow palettes because obviously I don't reach out for them very often. So there's I think there's a bunch of there. I think 5 palettes there and then 1 2 3 4 palettes here. I've got my everyday primers. ये मैं obviously हर दिन use करती हूँ या फिर almost every day whenever I do makeup, so I've put them here. And here I've got all my beauty blenders first of all because again I use them very often. And then there are a lot of lip balms since I'm obsessed with lip balm, and a few lipsticks, like very creamy lipsticks that I normally like to use as blushes. And how cute is this beauty blender? I'm not over that still. I've actually not used it yet since I got it abhi kuch time pehle from Miniso. If you haven't checked out the haul, I'll link it in the bottom bar. Now here mostly I've put on some random knickknacks, but यहाँ पे I put on all my pencils and kajals and everything because यहाँ पे कहीं पे fit नहीं आता. I can keep it here also, but then again it'll look messy, so I've put it all here. And baki sab are my razors and stuff. This is again very important, my setting sprays and my serum that I use every day. यहाँ पे बहुत random चीज़ें, again some more random things. Lenses, my Nykaa nail paint that I like to use almost every time. So this is, as you can see, my white nails, and I have used this Nykaa ka nail paint in the shade Marshmallow Dream, if I'm not wrong. हाँ, see, Marshmallow Dream. And this one is almost over actually. So if you have any white nail paint recommendation, because I'm searching for some new ones that are long lasting, and please tell me in the comments. I saw that K by Katrina ke nail paints are very good, but then I can't find it in white color. I want some white nail paint which is really good. So please help your girl out. If you have any recommendation, tell me in the comments. You know, I would highly recommend you to get that if you are looking for some organizers or something for maybe your jewelry, your makeup, or even for stationery. आप उसमें stationery भी आराम से रख सकते हो. And I think I've seen this Amazon पे भी, because Miniso is also available on Amazon. So I'll try कि मैं Amazon का link ढूंढ के आपको description में दे दूँ. I would say get it just for 450 or 490 rupees, and it's really good. And काफ़ी मतलब you know काफ़ी अच्छा दिखने में भी है, बहुत यूजफुल भी है. Another thing that I really liked it कि मैंने ये जो टॉप वाली ड्रॉर है, इसमें I've kept all my everyday makeup और makeup that I use on a general basis, या फिर मैं mostly use products. So what I can do is कि मैं पूरा ड्रॉर निकाल के I can just take it anywhere in the house. मतलब मुझे किसी और रूम पे बैठ के मेकअप करना है, और in some other part of my room, I can just take this entire thing out, उसको ले जा लो, मेकअप किया, and then keep it back in. So I think it's a very good purchase, I would say, and get it if you want to. And now I think I'll sit and edit for some time, because अभी Thursday की वीडियो मुझे edit करनी है, which is going to be the Miniso haul. I'm pretty sure वो आपने already देख लिया होगा, so I'll link it here. Do give it a watch. काफ़ी interesting चीज़ें ली है मैंने, including the drawer set and the box set and everything. सब उसी haul में है, तो वो haul मैं यहाँ पे link कर दूँगी, and in the description bar you can watch it. And now let's edit that video. Water break. Feels so good. So girls, get your water intake in, and now let's resume the editing. So guys, मम्मी अभी तक बाहर थी एंड वो अभी आई हैं वापस. So let's see her reaction. मम्मी आप आ गई? रूम पे आओ. Hey, look at this beauty. थोड़ा यहाँ पर आओ, यहाँ पर आओ. Hey, look at her. She's looking so pretty. मम्मी vlog कर रही हूँ मैं आज.
Oh,
Hi तो बोल दो सबको.
hi.
So I just received a package from H&M. I ordered just 2 things I think from there. I'm not sure if I'll do a haul on it, because अभी तो 2 ही चीज़ें order करी हुई हैं. If I order some more things, maybe then I'll do it eventually. So it's 4 o'clock right now, and I ordered some chicken noodles. Just look at them. They look so good and बहुत tasty हो रहे हैं. I'm literally salivating right now, and मुझे बहुत craving हो रही थी chicken noodles की, so I got it, and I'll enjoy this with Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Hey guys, so it's 6:15 right now, and I just got done with my work day, and I think I'll just chill now. Maybe I'll do some pampering session or something. Let's see. Right now we're just walking bahar aake, because my brain is fried after editing for so long. I'm done with 70-80% of my work. Thoda sa hi aur bacha hai, and I'll just walk for a little bit, I think, and just chill and get in some fresh air. Also look how pretty the sky is. Abhi to इससे भी ज़्यादा beautiful था, and there's the moon. And yes, such a beautiful evening. So let's do skincare now. It's currently 8 o'clock, and I think I'm done for the day. I'll just remove little bit of makeup that I have, and I also want to shave my मुच्छे today, because काफ़ी ज़्यादा hair आ गया upper lip में. And the skincare is done. This is what my skin looks like these days, and with this we come to the end of this vlog. I don't think I have much to show you now. I'll have my dinner, I'll watch something, maybe read a book or something. मैंने आज ये भी plan किया था कि I'll clean my closet out as well, but time बिल्कुल नहीं मिला. And cleaning out a closet is like a 1 or 2 day job, so maybe we'll do that in some other vlog if you want. Also, if you want to see more vlogs, please tell me in the comment section. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है vlogs film करने में, तो I can do more for you for sure. And yes, that's it. वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक करना, comment section में आओ, let's chat there, share करना. My hand is tired now. I am pretty sure camera भी shake कर रहा है. So let's just end. And yes, like, share, subscribe. Please, the engagement really helps with the growth of the channel. Click on this red button to subscribe and then click on the bell sign. And I post a new video every Monday and Thursday at 11 a.m. So please be there to meet me every Monday and Thursday at 11. And I'll see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye. Subscribe करना मत भूलना. Bye.